desktop. Nishan bhai?
हाँ सर, we can continue.
Are you? Yes. Now,
Sir, please continue. It's all good.
I mean, my desktop, I don't see now.
हाँ sir, you're visible loud and clear also.
No, my desktop.
I can't see your desktop, sir. I made you co-host, but I can't see your desktop.
How do I? Actually, I don't know. How do I see? How do I
Sir,
do
there
this
is a share button at the bottom of the screen. Share button.
bottom of the screen? Share button. There is a share button. Yes.
Click on share and then
Yes.
screen.
Yes. Now are you seeing?
You have to click next.
Next cell shares.
Yeah, we can see the screen. Yeah, I think. So you may continue, Partho, sir.
Yes.
Slowly as
Are
the
you seeing my?
screen-
Are you? First of all, I would like to know that are you seeing my share button? I mean my desktop or not?
Yes, sir. We are able to see the screen. The chart is visible. Crude WTI.
Yes. Okay, it's okay. First of all, sorry for the late friends because I have some technical issues regarding my PCs and etc. So I hope it's not a problem. But today we will discussing about the technical issues. But these things is very much required for our daily business and also client हमेशा ही हम लोगों से पूछता है मार्केट कहाँ जाएगा. क्लाइंट हम लोगों से हमेशा ही पूछता है या हम लोग मार्केट कहाँ जाएगा. तो क्या बोलूं. तो इसका बारे में सर से एक दिन बात हुआ था तो सर बोला पढ़ तो I mean you can do one things. I mean you can just do some technical classes because by profession I am a mutual fund distributor. First of all, I am a mutual distributor, and second, I am doing several technical classes for some of the company and also institution, etc. So I mean today we can just you'll I mean I would like to give you some idea regarding the technical issues and how do we predict market where to go and for our business how it would help us. So first of all, I am taking the Nifty chart. Nifty. Okay, I am taking this Nifty chart. It's our convenient book. I mean, when we are in the first time in the classes, Sarah's told us, or Guruji, Kanarji has taught us this, that Nifty, and now we are taking 13 EMA. Sorry. It's a 15 minutes chart because, I mean, from my profession, I'm a trader also. From my profession, just I have checked it. So, but it would be 1D chart for us. हम लोग सबने ही सीखा था एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज 13 किया था. 13. ओके, बात तो करो. 13.
Sir, you can ask questions in Hindi, English, जैसे आपको सही लगे.
ओके, जरूर. अरे बात तो करो भाई. सब हम लोग तो वोलेटिलिटी कोच है. सब कुछ जानता हूँ ना.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर, आप लोग बस सुन रहे हैं. आप जो भी बता रहे हैं, आप फोकस्ड ऑन लिसनिंग.
कोई तो कुछ नहीं बताता है ना. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है.
हाय हाय पार्थो, हम बताता है. कैसे हो पार्थो?
एकदम फैंटास्टिक राजीव दा.
ठीक है.
How are you,
चार्ट
राजीव दा?
चार्ट पट अच्छा करके सिखाओ, जाते कुछ कमा सकते हैं. चार्ट पट तो आता नहीं है.
कोशिश तो करेगा. हाँ, लेकिन मेरे को भी बहुत सारे कुछ जानना बाकी है ना.
वो तो लर्निंग का तो एंड नहीं है ना.
हाँ, लर्निंग का एंड नहीं होता है. ठीक, करेक्ट. सो
अरे तुम्हारा नाम रिट्रीट में देखा नहीं, क्यों? खाली इतना बिजनेस करने से होगा? रिट्रीट में जाना होगा तो.
नहीं, मेरा आई मीन फैमिली ट्रिप है एक. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई मीन आई वुड लाइक टू जस्ट डिस्कस दिस थिंग्स आफ्टर दैट रिट्रीट और व्हाट एवर मे बी. सो फर्स्ट आई मीन ये जो ये जो है ना, ये जो पिक्चर्स है, ये जो चार्टिकल पिक्चर है, ये वेरी इजी है टू प्रेडिक्ट द मार्केट. सो 13 EMA on the chart, Nifty, and now we can take one parameter like RSI, relative strength index. Okay, it's very popular parameter for everybody, popular parameter for any technical analyst. Okay, so what to do? Sir has told us that, I mean, when these 3 days closing would be above the 13 EMA, would be above the 13 EMA, it's a very good opportunity for the market to for a bull run. Okay, so in case of this, we have seen here, it's on 10th August 2025. We have seen it 10th August 2025. And apart from this, I am telling you one thing, that this parameter you also consider, that RSI is rising or RSI is falling. If market has break this level but RSI is rising, then you can wait. That means there is some kind of negative divergence. But market is breaking this level and also RSI is also rising, then we can told that this is a positive divergence. And here we can see some kind of good opportunity for buying. Here we have seen like our buying bottom is this. Here also personally I have buy some future also 25,118, and we have seen after that 26,000 we have checked. Okay, so with the RSI, you can take it or you can consider these things. You can get a very bull run, very good bull run, and very teji market. So you can make money from your side also, for your side also, and for your client side also. Okay, is there any problem, sir? Hello.
Sir, no problems, all good.
All good. I mean, actually, Nishant bhai, okay, okay. So this is the first things. I mean, I am following these things very deeply, very deeply. I am following these things, and sometimes one thing is there. You can just look at here. It's a trend line. I have drawn two trend lines. One is on the chart, and one is on the RSI indicators. Okay. I mean, is this? I mean, आप लोग सब देख रहा है ना? कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है?
All good, sir. We can see the screen also.
Okay.
आप बस कंटिन्यू करो बस.
हाँ, जरूर, क्योंकि इधर क्या है ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो कि ना हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, ये को. हाँ. Okay. So, I mean, here we have seen that RSI is also going down, but market, I mean, is in consolidated mode. Market is in consolidated mode. That means from this candle to this candle, market is in above the 13 EMA, but RSI is down in trend. So when, I mean, my objective is that this is not in a parallel line. That means RSI and the price of the Nifty. That is not in a parallel line. When it will come to the parallel line, after breaking this 13 EMA, after breaking this 13 EMA, it's in parallel line. Till parallel line, until the break of the parallel line, we can wait for doing our any trade. Here we can do one thing, that RSI is going down, market is in consolidation mode, so we can do one thing. Just stopping this. This is my stop loss. This is my Kavach Kundal. What is my Kavach Kundal? 25,667. This is my this was my Kavach Kundal. Here, I mean, it's my stop loss, and I can sell some kind of call options. I can sell some kind of call options. Then I have made the very good money. Okay. So, I mean, things is that technical chart tell you what to do and how to do. Okay, what to do and how to do. Just you can do with, or you can go with the technical trend of the market. Then you can make very good amount of money. Okay. And don't forget about the stop loss. Don't forget about the stop loss. Next, one thing which is very much popular nowadays, and कोई सुना है इसका बारे में? ADX, I think everybody know, Rajiv da and everybody knows about the ADX. What is ADX? First of all, we would like to know what is ADX. Suppose देखो, just a minute. What is this? This is a positive trend. And in here, RSI is also in positive trend. Okay, both are positive. And I would like to know, this trend is sustainable or not. Suppose, from the one thing is in technical analysis, it's very easy to predict the left side of the chart, but it's very difficult to predict the right side of the chart. So just you can look at up to here, you can't see this, but this trend tell you that there is some good or upside is in here. How? Now, trend, market trend is positive, price trend is positive. Here, RSI trend is also positive, and main things is ADX. ADX is also in positive mode. That means market must go move from this level. That means from this level, 25,707 to till now, market is moved above. Okay. Now today's market corrected some point. Now we would like to see that first of all this trend line. If this is break, if market break this, then we can wait till this point. Okay, this is a very good support level. What is this support level? This is near about 25,700 something. This is the very good support level, 13 EMA support level. If market taking the support and go up, and RSI trend and ADX trend, if is in same line, then we can say that market will break its new high. Okay, so ADX, it's very much important from any point of view, ADX. So we always follow this ADX. Actually, I am following this technical parameter only, like 13 EMA, RSI, ADX. This technical parameter I am only following, and this is the enough. I think this is the enough for anybody to predict the situation. And for long-term point of view, some of my mutual fund distributor, they have told me that we don't have anything to do with the 13 EMA, 15 EMA, or whatever maybe. We need some long-term trend analysis. How do we predict? Like it's the time of equity. आने वाला 2 साल इक्विटी में होगा, आने वाला 2 साल गोल्ड में होगा. How do we predict these things from the technical analysis? So now we have just see EMA. Here I have taken the 13 EMA. Now I am taking 200 EMA. Okay, 200 EMA. What is? Okay, so it's not prominent in investing site. You can just go to your particular trading platform. Like if anybody has any trading platform, like whatever maybe Grow, Motilal Oswal, or whatever maybe, you can go there and you'll be seeing that this chart is very clearly. Until and unless market trend is breaking this 200 level, then market is in down mode. And until and unless market is above this level, above this 200 EMA, market is in very good shape. That means you can buy. Each and every dip would be an opportunity for buying. And within these things, we can use RSI and ADX. Within these things, we can use RSI and ADX. And in case of 200 EMA, I think RSI should be 14. It's okay, but it could be better. You can just go to the monthly chart. You can go to the monthly chart, and here RSI would be very minutely thinks that RSI would be 3. RSI would be 3. Okay. So, I mean, what is this thing? First, 200 EMA. Second, RSI is 3. Here, one thing is that I'm taking just 40. And here I am taking 70. Okay, 40, 70. And if you'd like to get success in technical analysis for long term, you must have to remember these two things. One is monthly chart, 200 EMA, RSI 3, and RSI normally we know that it's 30, 30 or 20, 20, 25 is the oversold zone, and 70 is the, overbought zone. Okay, this is the common theory. But in case of fine tuning of the RSI, we can see that 40 and 70. Okay, what does it mean? That means when market is in above 200 EMA, market is in above 200 EMA, next market comes down, and next RSI is rising. Suppose RSI is rising, RSI break the 40 level, RSI will break the 40 level from the below. From the below, RSI break the 40 level, then you must have to buy. That means in here, vertical line, we can take the vertical line. Where is this? Just a minute. This. That means in case of here, market is giving signal in here that you can buy. You can buy. And after that, that means what is the area? NYSE Nifty 1500. It is not properly coming. Nifty 50. Just a minute. Just a minute. So after that, you can see this kind of good run. Okay. So, if we predict, and in case of sell, what to sell? Now, first of all, market is going, suppose I have brought it here, and till the period when market break the 70 level, RSI break the 70 level from the above, RSI break the 70 level from the above, we have seen in here, we have seen at here, market break the RSI level from 60 70 above, and we will sell it here. Okay, and during the period, suppose market giving the buying opportunity in here, market giving the buying opportunity in here, but during that period, what to do? During this gap, in this gap, suppose ye 80 and 40, in this gap, market is taking support during in this gap, and RSI is in good form, then we can buy. Suppose you can look at here. Okay, this is a good buying opportunity. But in case of sell, when market break the 70 level and come down, suppose we have brought it here, we have brought it here during this level, we have brought it and sold it in here. So this is the very good amount of money that will come. and for the long term period of purpose and for our momentum purpose, for the business cycle fund, we can put the money like this way. I mean during this period, I mean normally multi cap fund, mid cap fund, small cap fund, mid cap fund, ये तो I mean for the time being छोड़ दो तो it's okay for the client. If you withdraw the money, then it would be a problem for the customer. But cyclical fund and sectorial fund, if we would like to take some position, then I mean actually I am following these things and my client are very much happy with this. I am basically following it in auto index also. Auto, sorry, bank base. Bank base. Okay. Bank base monthly chart 1 day. I mean, daily chart it's quite difficult because it's in sectorial index to see. But in case of your platform, like whatever maybe where you are in doing trade, there you can get the clear cut view. But in monthly chart, here you can also do these things. Do one thing, simple. Here you can put just 40, 70. And 70. Buying in here for the momentum and selling in here. That means you can check it that within the short period of time, market can give you the 10% return. So those the client who need the good the money and need good money and prove yourself. That's I'm quite different from the other distributor. So we can put them like this way. And I'm using this bank biz. Bank biz, not bank biz, but particularly in banking fund and also auto biz. Client make the good money very short period of time, and then they can give us a very good amount of money. For sectorial fund, it quite better. It quite give you the very good result. Trust me, it's very fantastic. You can add up these things. You can add up with these things. It would be good for you. Okay. And next. Now, I'm doing one thing. सबको मालूम है ना व्हाट इज ऑप्शन चेन? अरे बोलो ना भाई, हम लोग तो सब भाई लोग ही है. ऑप्शन चेन.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
Sir.
sir, it's more helpful to explain. You can explain in Hindi also, sir.
Sorry.
You can explain in Hindi also. It's more
Okay,
convenient
okay.
for us.
I mean, actually, I mean, my Hindi is very poor. Okay,
Oh,
okay.
okay, okay. No worry, no worry, no worry.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah. I
uh,
didn't know, sir. Yeah,
So,
yeah.
I mean,
Fine,
anyway,
fine, fine.
anyway, I'm trying. मैंने कोशिश कर रहा. हाँ, तो आप अपना निजो गुण से माफ कर दीजिए मेरे को. तो like one
No
thing is
problem,
that
sir.
I mean आज का मार्केट का क्लोजिंग क्या है? 25,877. ओके. एंड बिफोर फ्यू डेज वी हैव सीन, हम लोग क्या देखा था? हम लोग देखा था अबव 26,000 मार्केट इज क्लोजिंग अबव 26,000. ओके. सब लोग ने क्या बोला? 26,000 के ऊपर मार्केट बंद हो गया. इसका मतलब क्या है ना? इसका मतलब है मार्केट में आने वाला दिन में तेजी है. ओके. बट आज का रिजल्ट देखो. फेड रेट तो रात में बहुत अच्छा आया. फेड रेट काट हो गया. क्या फेड चेयरमैन ने कुछ ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोला. बोला नेक्स्ट दिसंबर में काट नहीं हो सकता है. लेकिन इसका हिसाब से इतना बड़ा पनिशमेंट मार्केट के लिए क्या है? ना थिंग्स क्या है ना, मार्केट में बोलता है जो जो होता है ना वो रातों रात होता है. मार्केट में द थिंग्स विच इज हैपेंड इन द मार्केट वो ड्यूरिंग द नाइट ओनली, नॉट डे. इट्स द जस्ट विजिबिलिटी. तो क्या हुआ आपने देखिए. सर जस्ट अ मिनट, आई एम जस्ट वन थिंग. একটু পরে ফোন করছি, একটু পরে। কিসে? আমি যদি একটু পরে একটু পরে। So sorry, huh? 26,000, this is the level of 26,000 and ये क्या है ना, ये ऑप्शन चेन है, ये ऑप्शन चेन, वन साइड इज कॉल एंड वन साइड इज पुट। ओके, हम लोग क्या बोलता है, जो मार्केट का डेली ट्रेडर है और जो मार्केट में क्या बोलता है, ये मार्केट ही उनका क्या है ना, मार्केट उनके लिए अर्निंग्स टूल्स है, मार्केट उनके लिए अर्निंग्स टूल्स है, तो उन लोगों के लिए ये बहुत यूजफुल है। एंड मैंने भी यही बोलता हूँ, ये म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर लोगों के लिए भी बहुत यूजफुल है, म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि इसको आपने अच्छी तरह से जानना चाहता है, अच्छी तरह से जानता है, तो क्या है ना, यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट टू योर क्लाइंट वेरी वेल, एंड क्या है ना, मार्केट के बारे में उनका और आपका भी नॉलेज बहुत आगे बढ़ जाएगा। तो क्या हुआ, आप देखिए पहले ना, 26,000, ये क्या है ना, इट्स द वाई ऑफ द पुट साइड, वाई ऑफ द पुट साइड, दैट मीन्स 91,746 पुट सोल्ड है। ओके, आज का एंड में 91,746 पुट सोल्ड है। तो व्हाट इज ओपन इंटरेस्ट? ओपन इंटरेस्ट मतलब है टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग पोजीशन ऑफ द पुट, टोटल आउटस्टैंडिंग पोजीशन। Okay, it's called open interest, and in case of put it's put, and in case of call it's call. तो 26,000 level में 91,700 put sold है, and in call side you can see 2,21,508 कॉल सेल है। कॉल सेल मतलब क्या है, ये क्या है, ये ऑप्शन चेन है ना, ये those who are the really big player मतलब institution player like FII, DII, they are doing these things, and buyer, जो बायर है ना मार्केट का, उनका कुछ कम नहीं है, उनके उनके लिए मार्केट क्या है ना, वो मार्केट के ऊपर कोई इम्पैक्ट ही नहीं करता है। इम्पैक्ट कौन लोग करता है, इम्पैक्ट करता है सेलर लोग, क्योंकि उन लोगों का पास मनी भी ज्यादा है एंड उन लोगों का पास क्या है, नॉलेज भी ज्यादा है, तो बोथ साइड दे आर इन रिच पोजीशन, सो दे आर द कंट्रोलर ऑफ द मार्केट, एंड वी कैन जस्ट predict their action by this option chart, then we'll get the information about the market. Yesterday, I mean, I have told my few clients and few guys also that market from this level, and there is some chances of correction, but one has told me that, but so market is in about 26,000 level, so how do you predict? The prediction is in here. I have seen some of the good player, they are selling, I mean, actually who is selling you can't see, but you can see that some good player is selling. Okay, so here 26,000 level yesterday, just today's figure, you can take it, just note down, call sell 91,746, put sell, sorry, put sell 91,746, and call sell 2,21,508. Okay, so now we can calculate the PCR. What is PCR? PCR means put call ratio. ये क्या है ना, ये सपोज हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग डॉक्टर के पास जाता है, जाके बोलता है, ये देखिए आई मीन मेरा तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, तो लोग वो क्या करता है, वो हम लोगों का पल्स देखता है, पल्स देख के बोलता है, ये हाँ ठीक है, आई मीन यू आर इन गुड पोजीशन, और मे बी आपका कुछ कुछ डिजीज और वॉट एवर भी कुछ हुआ, तो ये क्या है ना, ये मार्केट का पल्स है, मार्केट का पल्स है। तो हम लोग क्या करेगा ना, हम लोग पीसीआर कैलकुलेशन करेगा। व्हाट इज पीसीआर? पीसीआर इज टोटल पुट सेल बाय टोटल कॉल सेल, टोटल पुट सेल बाय टोटल कॉल सेल, इट्स अ सिंपल अरिथमेटिक। ओके, पुट सेल कितना है ना, पुट सेल है 91,746, जस्ट आई एम टेकिंग द कैलकुलेटर and I'm requesting everybody, please, if you have the options, please just doing these things, you can see the magic. Definitely, I can promise. Okay, 91,746. Okay, what is this? It's a put, total put selling position. And what is the call selling position? Call selling position 2,21,508. Okay, that means the ratio is 0.41. Ratio is 0.41. Okay, I mean, just note down this data each and every day. You can just calculate this PCR just in 2 minutes time. but you have the very good view on the market. Why I am taking this 26,000 level? Because yesterday it has closed above 26,000 level. Okay, and if you calculate the yesterday's data, the PCR was 1.1. In that level, PCR was 1.1, but today PCR is 0.41. What does it mean? That means PCR means put sell by call sell. That means here against put sell is uh, put sell is low than call sell. That means quantity of the put seller are higher and quantity of call seller are here. Quantity of sorry, I'm just telling the just reverse. Quantity of call seller are higher and quantity of put seller are very lower. So in case of this, in case of here, against one call selling, 0.41 put seller are here. That means who is in the weighted position? Call seller is in the weighted position. So for this purposes, market going down. Okay, and here one thing is that always follow one thing. This call seller, suppose yesterday it is 1.1. Today when market is opening, I am checking the PCR of the 26,000 call. 26,000 call yesterday, yesterday it is 1.01. Today when market is opening, market was opening, it is 0.91. That means who are increasing their position? Call seller are increasing their position. Call seller, when call seller are increasing their position, that means seller of the market is in very good mood. So if you are a day trader, or if you are a whatever maybe, if you are a short-term trader, you can take the sell position from this level. Understand? Anybody any questions? It's a very interesting point. And just apply this in here. Just a minute. Investing. So today I have seen call seller position, call seller, they are in good mood. So that means market could go down from this level. So how do I do the things on the screen? Just easy, very easy. Just take the chart of the Nifty. Here I am taking 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Pointing here. Exponential moving average. Moving average 20. Nifty moving average 20. 1 hour daily chart 50. Chalo, 15 minutes. That means today is the 30. So you can look. Today, from option chain, we have seen that seller is in very good mood. Okay, so they can pull down the market. And after opening the market, I have just taking this to my screen. What is this? 20 MA. When market break the 20 MA level, I can sell the Nifty or I can sell the call. Basically, I am a call seller. Okay, option seller. So I have just sell it. And just look, today it can't cross the 20 MA. Okay, 26,000 call. If you sold at 91 rupees, today it is closed around 30 rupees. But I am not buying put. You can ask me that you can buy some kind of put also, because good money will come from the put or buying option side. It's okay. But I am as a option chain follower. Institutional are doing the one things they are doing ऑप्शन सेलिंग, सो आई एम ऑल्सो इन देयर पाथ, मैंने भी वही काम कर रहा, उनका भी फॉलो कर रहा, ये व्हाट आर दे आर डूइंग. Okay, so good money definitely will come. And one thing is that suppose just come here. Suppose I have sold at 26,000 level that 1.01 to 0.91. That means seller are in good mood. So they are selling the position. So I have decided that I'll sell this position, and after breaking the 20 EMA, I have sold it in here. Okay, but market except God, nobody can predict. Market just take the reverse direction. You will first fill in here. First fill in here 26,000. Just take the PCR. Just take the PCR. And those who are the full-time trader, I can suggest them always calculate the PCR within every hour. You can just calculate the PCR. Okay, 26,000 level PCR now 1.01. It was in yesterday 1.01. At the opening of the market, it is 0.91, and after that it's come down. That means I'm in safe zone. But from 91 to market again PCR goes to the 1, then you can give the stop loss of your position. So here very minimum stop loss, or might be in same price, so you don't have any loss or whatever maybe. But things is that your loss is very minimum and your exit point is very much clear. Being a trader, always do one thing. What's the stop loss point? Always remember what's the exit. That means in Mahabharata we have seen that you always want to become Shabbosati. That means Arjun, not Abhimanyu. You know your exit. Arjun knows his exit, but Abhimanyus don't know. Did not know this. So we have seen the result. So being a trader, always look at the exit point. So exit point from this level, the exit point is very much clear. Okay. And one thing, here and MACD. Just it's the last point. MACD. Then 1 day. It's in 1 day. This is the green candle. Yes, look, green candle. And one thing is that this is the crossing point. Crossing point above the 20 crossing point. Above the 20 MA. 20 MA crossing point. This is the crossing point. It's a short duration moving average and it's a long duration moving average. When short duration moving average cross above the long duration moving average and it should be happened above the 20 EMA, it's a very good buy. For the short term period, it's a very good buy. So in case of this, we have seen, and in case of this, below and short duration moving average just cross the long duration moving average and it's come down. Okay, so this is the one, and it's very much applicable for individual stocks only. But in case of index, I've just told you just 13 EMA, which you have learned from our Guruji Kanakji, RSI, and 200 EMA, and in case of index, option chain and ADX. These 5 points are the very much important tools. That's it from my side. It's a very short duration course. Actually, technical is such a subject that you can, talked about this for a long day. It could not be end. Okay, ये खत्म ही नहीं होता. तो ये तो बहुत short duration में कोशिश कर रहा जी ये बोलने के लिए. From my end, it's okay. And if any questions from anybody.
You can unmute yourself and ask the question.
Just a minute.
पार्थो सर चैट बॉक्स पे कुछ
Yes.
क्वेश्चंस है.
हाँ, एक मिनट, जस्ट मिनट, आई मीन आई एम जस्ट हाउ टू डू, आई डोंट नो, इट्स माय बेसिक प्रॉब्लम। निशांत भाई थोड़ा सा मदद करो ना, ये स्टॉप शेयरिंग करेगा तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी सर, हो जाएगा।
यस, चैट बॉक्स में। कैन यू एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी? ये तो बोल दिया भाई। हाँ, अच्छा। For future return, technical is more helpful for good return as compared to fundamental. Okay, I mean Naveen bhai, first of all technical for long term, long duration investment के लिए ये टेक्निकल एनालिसिस क्या बोलो, आई मीन दो टाइप का एनालिसिस होता है, एक है फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस, वन इज फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस एंड अनदर इज टेक्निकल एनालिसिस। फ्रॉम द फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस यू कैन pick your stocks, what is the good, what would be the best. Okay, you can pick the stocks, but if you would like to get the return very fast, then you must use the technical analysis. Like I have given the example, like when we are going to our customer, हम लोग जब कस्टमर के पास जाता है क्या, ना कस्टमर को बोलता है सर ये मल्टी कैप फंड करो, ये मिड कैप करो, ये नॉर्मल एक स्ट्रीमलाइन पोर्टफोलियो देता है, एंड उनका साथ क्या करता है ना, उनको बोलता है सर 10% आप मेरे को दो, अकॉर्डिंग टू माई विशेस और अकॉर्डिंग टू माई एनालिसिस आई विल बी इन्वेस्टेड इन। व्हाट टू इन्वेस्ट, दैट मीन्स साइक्लिकल स्टॉक्स, I mean sectorial fund, whatever maybe we will be investing in. So in that case, technical analysis is very better. Like one of my customers, he is in Mumbai. He has given me 50 lakhs regarding these things, and I have told him, sir, 45 lakhs in streamline portfolio and 5 lakhs in momentum. So 5 lakhs, I mean during this market period, market has given the 10%, market has given the मान लो 10% return, but according to this analysis I have generated 14% return. So 4% extra, 4% alpha I have generated, and that person gave me within the few days. That person has told me that person I would like to invest more, and now his total portfolio is 1.5 crores. And now we are talking about the one AIF also. So this is the such a powerful things. Customer, I mean ये क्या है, कस्टमर के पास तो सब जाएगा, सब जाके बोलेगा सर ये करो वो करो से करो, ये तो कॉमन है, लेकिन उनको तो इमीडिएटली कुछ देना है, इमीडिएटली वो देखेगा जहाँ ठीक है ये क्या है, नहीं 1 महीना, ये 2 महीना, ये 6 महीना में मेरे को ये रिटर्न जनरेट कर दिया, तो ठीक है ये बंदा में दम है। तो जस्ट फॉर दिस यू कैन यूज दिस टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, मोर हेल्पफुल टू गुड रिटर्न कंपेयर। ठीक है नवीन जी?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Complicated parts of the we can use this by yourself and you have, yes, Pinaki sir, I'm telling you that definitely you can use these things. It's not a complicated. First of all, technical analysis are complicated things. First, you have to just understand, just get the pulse. Like for this purpose, if you would like to practice these things, then you have to give you the lot of time आपको देना पड़ेगा मार्केट में, देख कैसे है कैसे होना है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई मीन क्या बोलूँ, ये कुछ रॉन्ग रिजल्ट भी दे सकता है, ठीक है, लेकिन क्या है ना, आपको मार्केट में ये टाइम देना पड़ेगा आपको टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के लिए। जब अपने आपको क्या है ना, आप आपका खुद का एक पोर्टफोलियो बनाओ ना। मैंने क्या किया था, मैंने मेरा एक खुद का पोर्टफोलियो बनाया। सपोज मान लो 5,000 रुपया का मैंने एक पोर्टफोलियो बना लिया, 10,000 रुपया का एक पोर्टफोलियो बना लिया, एंड उनको अकॉर्डिंग टू माई स्ट्रेटेजी आई हैव इन्वेस्टेड। तो माई गिनिफिक इज मी, तो आई एम गेटिंग द गुड रिजल्ट, देन आई कैन पुट इट टू द कस्टमर। ओके, सो एंड क्या है ना, इसमें मेरा मेरा भी लर्निंग हो गया, और क्या है ना, मेरा भी कुछ रिटर्न और प्रॉफिट और लॉस वट एवर में भी जो हुआ हुआ, लेकिन जब लर्निंग हो गया तब तो मेरा गेन ही है, गेन है ना पिनाकी जी, ठीक है? Okay. और बोलिए सर।
If anybody else has a question, please ask now.
ऑप्शन चेन सब देखो भाई, ऑप्शन चेन सब लोग देखो, and इसमें क्या है ना, इसमें बहुत सारे, कोई बड़ा बायर आ रहा, कोई बड़ा सेलर आ रहा ना इंडेक्स में, ये बहुत आसान से आपको मालूम चलेगा ये कौन बड़ा बायर है कौन बड़ा सेलर है। सब लोग देखो ऑप्शन चेन, ये ऑप्शन चेन सच ए थिंग्स दैट आई मीन एक एक या 2 दिन लग जाएगा इसको ठीक से एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए, लेकिन ठीक है, मोटा मोटी क्या है ना, ये ओपन इंटरेस्ट यही है, ये पीसीआर ये है, पीसीआर वाई यही है, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द पीसीआर वाई आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू। ओके, एंड जस्ट फॉलो दिस थिंग्स डे बाय डे। देखिए इंडेक्स का लेवल में पीसीआर क्या हो रहा, इंडेक्स का लेवल में पीसीआर क्या हो रहा। इंडेक्स का लेवल में देखो पीसीआर कम हो गया, ठीक है, 0.8 ब्रेक करके नीचे चला गया, मतलब जोर से सेलिंग आ रहा। 1 ब्रेक करके ऊपर चला गया, मतलब जोर से बाइंग आ रहा, ठीक है। तो यही है और कुछ नहीं।
Okay, so I think everybody has asked their questions. So, Partho sir, thank you so much for the session.
थैंक यू निशंत भाई,
थैंक यू
एवरीबॉडी थैंक यू,
Look forward to having you
थैंक
again.
यू राजीव दा।
और बड़ा करके सिखाना, कोई कोर्स फोर्स चालू करो, हम लोग ज्वाइन कर ले।
कोर्स पर चलो हम लोग ज्वाइन कर लेगा। अरे
हाँ,
आप तो क्या बोलो, आप बोलिए ना।
कोर्स फोर्स चालू करो तो हम लोग ज्वाइन करा क्या निशांत?
हम लोग तो फिर टाई अप करके करेंगे, फिर बाकी सब इसी की भी करेंगे।
हाँ, तो
हम लोगों का गुरु,
ठीक है,
ना
तो थोड़ा
रियली
सीखना है,
रियली
इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है ना।
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग, बहुत। एंड एक्चुअली क्या है ना, आपका क्या है ना, आई मीन आपका एग्जिट पॉइंट मालूम है तो, आई मीन यू थिंक दैट योर हब जॉब इज डन। एग्जिट पॉइंट मालूम है। मेरा क्या है ना, मेरा स्टॉप लॉस है ना 400 रुपया 500 रुपया, मेरा मैक्स टू मैक्स स्टॉप लॉस होता है। स्टॉप लॉस हर आदमी का स्टॉप लॉस हिट होता है, हर आदमी का। दो आदमी का स्टॉप लॉस हिट नहीं होता है, एक है गॉड, उनका स्टॉप लॉस हिट नहीं होता है, ठीक है, और एक है लायर। ये दोनों आदमी का स्टॉप लॉस हिट नहीं होता है। बाकी जो ट्रेडर है मार्केट में, लाइक जेसी मोड से स्टार्ट, आई मीन जेसी मोड टू बिटल इंच वट एवर मे बी, जो जो ट्रेडर है सबका स्टॉप लॉस हिट होता है। लेकिन क्या है ना, दे नो द मनी मैनेजमेंट, how to manage the money. Today, I mean, for the last 7 days, I have taken 10 position. Out of that, I made, I mean, stop loss has triggered 5 stop loss has triggered. That means 50% stop loss triggered हो गया, ठीक है। 50% मेरा प्रॉफिट है। मेरा नेट प्रॉफिट कितना है ना, मेरा नेट प्रॉफिट टोटल कैपिटल के ऊपर 14.2% मेरा नेट प्रॉफिट है, सब कुछ छोड़ के। तो ठीक है, आई एम हैप्पी। क्या अल्टीमेट ट्रेडिंग का सिस्टम क्या है, आई मीन स्वामी विवेकानंद का एक बात है, जे आई मीन क्या जाना ये बड़ा बात नहीं है, क्या हुआ ये इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट। तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे क्या हुआ, सो फॉर दिस पर्पस यू नीड टू नो द मनी मैनेजमेंट।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
वेरी मच
Thank
थैंक
you,
यू।
Partho sir. We look forward to
ओके,
learning more from you.
डेफिनेटली आई एम आल्सो लर्निंग।
Next sessions non plan करेंगे सर और।
जरूर जरूर जरूर।
Okay, also thank you for joining in. We'll be doing the Thursday sessions again back to back from now on. Looking forward to have you the next Thursday, and we'll end now. Thank you so much for joining.
थैंक यू।
पर तो लॉन्ग ड्राइव बाकी है, हाँ?